welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can set an alternative appearance for Face ID on your iPad. So the first step is to open Settings, and in Settings scroll and select Face ID and Passcode. From here, enter in your current passcode. Then you should see this option, Set up an alternative appearance. Tap on it, and then follow through the steps as if you're setting up Face ID. So select to get started, then position your face, and then start scanning. Once the appearance has been added onto your iPad, select Done to finish up the process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.